Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news and take a look at the overall Web3 market so that you stay informed. Today, guys, we're going to have a look at why Bitcoin has dropped below 60,000. We're going to have a look at a few news stories going on today as well, German government, election day, etc. But as always, guys, make sure to smash that like button. Make sure you are subscribed. And always good to see you guys in the comments. Any altcoins, meme coins you want me to go through, any topics you want me to discuss, put them here in the chat, guys, and we will go through those today. I hope everyone is having a lovely Thursday. But let's get into it right now. Let's have a look at why Bitcoin is below 60,000 right now. Let me just get a reload on this to get the live prices here. But yeah, Bitcoin down almost over 5% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum down to 3,120. That one hurts for me, especially. I've been buying more Ethereum recently. Solana relatively held up quite well, 130, down over 5%. BNB almost 7% here. And then look, Toncoin down 7%, Dogecoin 8%, etc. So yeah, let's have a look in the top 100 at the gainers and losers, see what we've got there as well. Gainers, we've actually got BNX, and then yeah, just stable coins here right now. While we're talking about stable coins, let me just pull up the PayPal stablecoin. I may be spelling it wrong. PYUSD. Here we go. So if I pull up PayPal USD, I actually noted that they've come down recently, but they actually hit a $500 million market cap valuation, which is good to see. So PayPal USD, they're making moves. For you that don't know, PYUSD is a stablecoin on PayPal, one of the largest networks going for transactions, for payments. So this is good to see. It's good to see that this did hit 500 million. Its all-time high yesterday, I believe it was. But let's head over to the first news story of today. Which is regarding why Bitcoin is down this morning. Let's have a quick look at the chat as well, guys. We've got Pokebert. Afternoon, everyone. We've got Jordan, LFG, let's go. We've got Alex, afternoon all, and we've got Block Pro. The market sinks faster than the Titanic. As long as it sinks like the Titanic and doesn't implode like the submarine that went to view it recently, I think we'll be okay. And we've got Steve as well. Howdy all. Glad to see you all in the chat, guys. But let's have a quick look why Bitcoin is down this morning. So Bitcoin took a tumble in the early hours. So let's take a look why. So Bitcoin dropped over 2% on the 4th of July, with prices reaching local lows of 57,885. This decline has seen Bitcoin hit the first retest of a critical support line that was touched in October 2023. Data from CSE highlighted the downturn, attributing it to a lack of positive sentiment and persistent selling pressure from spot markets. The 24-hour long liquidations were also notable, with over 90 million in Bitcoin long positions and over 68 million in Ethereum long positions liquidated, according to data from CoinGlass. The total number of liquidations over both long and short positions in the past 24 hours stands at 304 million. So if we scroll down a little bit further, is it all bad? Not necessarily. A report by Sentiment noted that the mentions of the phrase "buy the dip" have doubled over the past few days. In tracking this data, Sentiment assessed 4 social platforms: Reddit X, 4chan, and Bitcoin Talk. In their X post, Sentiment stated the crowd is showing signs of seeing this as a buy the dip opportunity. So yeah, Bitcoin dropping as low as 57,000. I think likely we see lower. The next news story that I'll go over is Germany selling their Bitcoin as well. But I forgot, guys, at the start of the stream, I always like to put on a trade. So let's put on a trade right now. We're going to trade Solana. I'll show you what I've been trading recently. This is order history. These are a few from today. I've been cheating, guys. I've been trading not on stream a little bit here. So we can see a $79 profit, $130 loss, $111 profit, $98 profit, $25 profit, $75 profit. So it's all adding up. Right now, this account started with $1,000. We're up at $1,736. We've got Block Pro, the trading champion in the group. I'm thinking to go long, to go short rather. Block Pro, let me know. I think let's fire in a short here at 140. Let's go market. Let's just go in short quickly. Let's go. Okay, we'll check back on this trade at the end of the stream, guys. So that's opened up now. Average price was 134.14. Slightly in a loss already. Will this go to the moon? But guys, keep a eye on the Solana price for me while we go over to some further news stories of today. So yeah, let's cover why is Germany selling Bitcoin. So research by 10x Research has suggested that Bitcoin has more downside to come. Meanwhile, the German government has moved more Bitcoin. So according to 10x Research, Bitcoin may drop as low as 50,000 over the coming weeks, with the recent dip being just the start of the drop for the number one cryptocurrency. Breaking the psychological 60,000 benchmark signifies a significant shift in market sentiment, which 10x Research believes will cause the buying flow to dry while the selling flow accelerates. So you can see here they said our data from early June already hinted at an overbought market ripe for correction. The sudden 5% fall in Bitcoin's price has substantially impacted investor sentiment and market liquidity, but has caused a 57% increase in trading volume. Let's have a look at the fear and greed today as well. I haven't actually checked up on that. It's been really volatile, the fear and greed. We saw last week, we saw a drop from like 70 all the way down to 4. Right now we're at 44. So we're in fear. Yes, yesterday was 50, so we're having a decline. Last week was 4 as well. But yeah, look at last month, we were at 73. If we go down to a little bit further here as well, we can see, look, it's been super volatile. If we look at what's this on, this is on the, let's go to the 3 month. So yeah, look, we've had pretty stable fear and greed, and then boom, it just absolutely drops down. Will we see this come lower? Let me know in the chat, guys. Let's have a look at the rest of the news story there. So the German sell-off. The 10x Research report comes amid further action from a crypto wallet linked to the German government. The wallet transferred over 3,000 Bitcoin worth over 172 million to free crypto exchanges and a separate wallet. On the 4th of July, blockchain investigator highlighted a significant outbound transfer of 1,300 Bitcoin from a German government-labeled cryptocurrency wallet. The 75 million worth of Bitcoin transfers was spread across 3 prominent crypto exchanges: Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp. The wallet also transferred another 1,700 Bitcoin to a separate address. In addition to the transfer, the German government has transferred more than 3,000 Bitcoin to multiple exchanges over the last 2 weeks. Why are the German government selling right now? It doesn't make sense to me. I will go over to Justin's son, who has something to say on this. Justin's son, for you that don't know, is the founder of Tron Network. So look, he's even pinned his tweet here. I am willing to negotiate with the German government to purchase all Bitcoin off market in order to minimize the impact on the market. What a guy. Let's see what else he said. There was another tweet from here as well. Justin Sun, he's a big advocate for crypto, obviously, being founder of Tron Network. Maybe we can convince TMG to try buy some Bitcoin from the German government as well. I can't find, there was another tweet here as well. But yeah, basically Justin Sun saying, look, don't sell your Bitcoin on an exchange. Come to me and we'll do some OTC to have a little impact on the market, which I think is good. But yeah, let me know what you think about that. Why are the German government moving Bitcoin, selling Bitcoin? Is it, do they believe in cryptocurrency? Are they changing their stance on it? Is new regulation coming in that perhaps they know of, and they're gonna look for lower prices? Who knows, guys? But let's head over to the next news story of today, which is coming back to home here, the UK election. What will happen to the crypto industry? So 6 weeks ago, an election was called in the UK before Brits to go to the polls tomorrow. Today even, we examined each party's manifesto to explore the future of British crypto. So look, here it says the Labour Party, widely expected to win tomorrow's general election, have scarcely addressed digital assets during their campaign, leaving question marks surrounding the industry's future in the country. The party has previously mentioned aspirations for the UK to become a tokenization hub, support a digital pound, and increase financial education. Once again, we've got CBDs coming into conversation here. Still, its latest manifesto has avoided explicit comments on the industry as a whole. The issue has been absent from each televised debate, with a much greater focus on welfare, immigration, and relations with the European Union. I understand this. I think in the UK, we can compare ourselves to the US. We know they talk about crypto perhaps more than the UK government does, but right now the government probably has more more on their plate than cryptocurrency. I think like address welfare, address immigration, all of this stuff, and then crypto comes second. Perhaps in the future, it will come to the forefront, but right now, rightly so, I think the government have bigger fish to fry. Pardon the pun there. Big up Chippy. But look, even the conservative government, which has outlined its ambitions in the past to turn the UK into a crypto hub, has scant mentions of crypto in its current manifesto, with the Liberal Democrats also avoiding the question in their policies. Regarding the minor parties, crypto is also not mentioned in the manifesto of the Greens or the Scottish National Party. The only party to directly reference crypto is the Reform UK, which has stated in its manifesto that it directly opposes the creation of a central bank digital currency. So let's have a look at their manifesto here. It might be a long one. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it all the way through here. Let's see if this loads and have a quick look, see what they mentioned. Big up Nigel Farage. He's a holder of Chippy for all the Chippy holders there. But yeah, okay, 28 pages. I'm not going to go through this manifesto right now. Let's head back to that news article there. So to play, according to the BBC election tracker, as of the 2nd of July, the Labour Party leads the way with data suggesting that they have 42% voter support, 21% for the Conservative Party, 16% for Reform UK, and 11% for the Liberal Democrats, and 6% for the Green Party. This suggests Keir Starmer will likely become Prime Minister with a substantial parliamentary majority. Let me know what you think in the chat. I think once this has all gone through, there will be no mention of crypto from the government for the next year or two, only when they want to build up some hype and go from there. I don't see the UK becoming a crypto hub like they've promised in the past. Call me wrong, but perhaps 3 years, 5 years is more likely. In the immediate future, I do not see it happening. But guys, let's head over to Twitter as well. Let's see what's going on with Crypto Saving Expert there. We've been running some giveaways. $100 giveaway last week as well. But yeah, head over. Look, we've got 112,000 followers. Like to see that up at 115, guys. But yeah, all your support, all your engagement really helps. Let's have a look at the trade. I think we're in a slight loss at the moment. Yeah, we're in a $30 loss. I'm going to let this ride out. I think perhaps a target of 133 around here, guys. I will keep you updated on that. Let's have a quick look at the chat before I leave today. So we've got Steve from saying, Lord Howling Alan Hope from Raving Looney Party said, if I voted for and he wins, he will do what I think is good for crypto. Will the Raving Looney Party come into power? I don't think so. It would be funny though. Maybe we should start our own crypto political party. I know TMG will get behind that, guys. But thank you so much for the stream today. I will be at the Solana Hacker House, so there will not be a stream tomorrow, guys. But I know a lot of you are coming to the Hack House tomorrow. So it'd be great to meet you in person. It's going to be a really good day. There's going to be lots of talks, lots of new projects looking to build. So it's the place to be. So if you're in London, come down to the Hacker House. It's on Friday, Saturday, guys, and I will catch you next week. Make sure to stay active in the Discord, though. CSE 10% discount for all memberships, guys. I will see you there. Take care. Have a brilliant weekend, guys. Bye.